Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Nissan Murano sun visor. First, let's identify the common problems you might be experiencing, such as a visor that won't stay up or has completely detached. We'll look at the specific parts involved, including the mounting bracket and the visor itself. Gathering your tools beforehand will make the repair much smoother and quicker, ensuring you have everything ready to go. Before we begin, let's make sure you have the right tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver for various fasteners. A plastic trim removal tool is also highly recommended to carefully pry off covers without scratching your interior. Always ensure your Nissan Murano is parked securely with the engine off for safety before starting any work. Now, let's get to the repair. First, gently pry off the small plastic cover that hides the mounting screws using your trim tool. You'll typically find 2 or 3 Phillips head screws underneath. Remove these carefully. If your visor has a vanity light, gently disconnect its electrical connector. Once the old visor is out, simply reverse these steps to install your new or repaired sun visor securely. After installing the visor, perform a few final checks. Move the visor through its full range of motion to ensure it operates smoothly and stays firmly in place. Double-check that all screws are snug, but be careful not to over-tighten them, as this can strip the plastic. A quick check every few months can help you catch any future issues early, keeping your visor in top condition.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.